What is going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's David here with Mac Tutorials 14. This is the video we've all been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily jailbreak your iOS 8 through 8.1 device, fully untethered, with Cydia included, with Pangu8 1.1.0 on Windows. Alright guys, so this is version 1.1.0 of this jailbreak tool of Pangu8. The original version of Pangu8 came out about a week ago. And that's a Vine reference if you don't get it. I'm never going to live that down. Anyway, so go ahead and open this up. It's in the description box below. It is en.pangu.io. Go ahead and open that web page up in your internet browser. It says better than better for iOS 8.0 through 8.1.x. So this is a Windows-only download for right now. There will be a Mac tool eventually, but for right now, your only options, as you guys can see, I am running a VM. Your only options for right now is either running a virtual machine or boot camping into your device. So go ahead and right click run as administrator, press yes, and now go ahead and load up the jailbreak. And as you guys can see, it is in good old English. So the next step in the process is to go ahead and plug in our device. So as you guys can see, here is my iPad. It says David's iPad, iPad mini, Wi-Fi, iPad mini Wi-Fi with iOS 8.1. There's my build number. It says click to start jailbreak. So the first thing we have to do before we can go ahead and do that is go ahead into settings and go ahead into iCloud and make sure you are either 1, logged out of iCloud, or 2, find my iPhone or iDevice or iPad or whatever is turned off. So as long as you either 1, like I said, have Find My iPhone or iPad or whatever iDevice turned off, or you just have iCloud completely logged out of, you should be fine. In this case, I have iCloud completely logged out of, so I don't have to worry about that. You can do either or. Next thing you want to go ahead and do is swipe up and go ahead and toggle on airplane mode. Basically, this is actually just making the jailbreak successful, and it's going to make it run a little bit faster. So anyway, next we're going to start the jailbreak. So it says 1, jailbreak might lead to data loss. Please make a full backup of your device via iTunes before jailbreak. Use Pangu8 at your own risk. So that's what that says. 2, please switch your device to airplane mode before jailbreak, which we just did, which will significantly increase the success rate of the jailbreak. If you have a large amount of data on your device, in order to speed up the jailbreaking process and increase the success rate, please back up your device and then restore it with a clean copy of iOS operating system. You can then restore your data after your previous backup. So I'm going to press already did because we already did that. And now, as you guys can see, it is starting the jailbreak. So preparing, transferring resources for jailbreaking. And I went ahead and sped this process up because this does take a little while. The screen takes a little while. But basically, just be patient. It says preparing the environment, 6 of 6. Injecting, 1 of 2. And just go ahead, and it is almost done. Injecting 2 of 2. And you should see this little Pangu new icon. Don't tap that, though, because it's just putting, it's just posing that as an app. You don't want to open that because it will mess up the jailbreak. So just don't interact with your device until you are until this jailbreak is finished. So you can say it says storage almost full. You can go ahead and press done. Just disregard that message. But for right now, other than that, don't touch your device and let the device finish this jailbreak process. So we are almost done. It is almost done. It is jailbreaking, and we will almost be done. So as you guys can see, it says final cleaning, as you guys can see. And now it should be a little while longer, so just wait that out. It should be a couple more seconds. And then after that time goes ahead and passes, as you guys can see, it says jailbreak succeeded. So anyway, guys, now we are done with our computer, so we can go ahead and exit out of that. And now we can go ahead and unplug our device from our computer, and we can go ahead and set our computer aside. We're not going to be needing that. All we're going to be needing right now is our device. So the rest happens on our device. And as you guys can see, our device is rebooting, and upon the first reboot, when we slide to unlock and swipe to the next page, we should see Cydia. Now, I'm not sure if the Pangu icon will be there. I'm thinking it probably will be. I'm not sure if they removed that for the English translated version, but I definitely know that we do not have to go ahead and SSH into our device and manually install Cydia like we did before. So this is awesome. This is a one-click jailbreaking tool. This is what we've been waiting for. This is a great Halloween present. So anyway, we are waiting until this reboots. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. As you guys can see, so I sped this process up a little bit. So we're at the lock screen now, so we're going to go ahead and slide to unlock, as you guys can see. So we're going to slide to unlock, swipe over, and as you guys can see, there is Cydia along with the Pangu app. So they did keep the Pangu app, but there is Cydia. We did not have to SSH into our device and manually install Cydia. So here it is, guys. So now it's going to go ahead and do the preparing file system dance. This does take quite a while, so I actually sped it up for you guys. So you wouldn't be sitting here for a while. But anyway, after this actually loads, it's going to go ahead and reboot the device. As you guys can see, we are back. So slide to unlock, swipe over, tap on Cydia, and as you guys can see, Cydia will load up, and it does verify. It does go ahead and verify here. Let me scroll to the bottom that we are on the latest Cydia version, Cydia 1.1.15. So that is the latest Cydia version. It is compatible with iOS 8, fully compatible with iOS 8. So it says iPad 2,5. So that's pretty much it. So it does have that huge long message, as you guys can see. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys, it does have the app backgrounding. It is the latest version, so let's just go ahead and come back there. And as you guys can see, like any other app, it continues from where it left off. And also, too, you can also rotate Cydia's springboard. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So now, as you guys can see, it says most packages will need updates. Make sure you're following all your favorite developers and designers on Twitter for news. May be helpful. Known issue. We are looking into an issue where on some boots there is a lot of background CPU usage. We do not know what's causing this. If you installed Cydia untethered 1.11.114 or later using a passcode, no longer requires a reboot, which I will show you guys. And Cydia purchases haven't been turned on. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly just go ahead and set a passcode. So passcode, we're going to turn on a passcode. So as you guys can see, we're going to do that. And we're going to go 111111111. And as you guys can see, we're just going to set the passcode to 1111. And as you guys can see, Cydia still works fine. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is power off my device. And we're going to go ahead and hard reboot this and show you guys that we do not enter a boot loop. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I did speed this process up, as you guys can see, because it takes a while to reboot. But anyway, the device is rebooting, and we do not get any boot loops, as you guys can see. So now we are in the device, slide to unlock, and as you guys can see, it says enter your passcode after restarting. So we're going to go ahead and enter a four-digit one, which is 1111. And next, as you guys can see, bam, we are in the device. And as you guys can see, we can load up Cydia just fine. We can browse our device just fine without any errors. So Touch ID and passcodes do work. We are on the latest version of Cydia. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this helped. And until next time, this is David signing out. Peace. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's David here with Mac Tutorials 14. And if you watched my last vlog, then you guys know and are 100% basically informed of what's happened. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's David here with Mac Tutorials 14. And so today, I am wearing a Doctor Who shirt, as you guys can see, and I thought I'd do a different video than I normally do. So today, I'm going to be discussing my Who is Missy series. Alright guys, so as you guys can